Many of us, we're going to approach Ramadan with the mindset of what am I going to do? I'm going to read my Quran, I'm going to keep fast in the month of Ramadan, I'm going to perform Taraweeh, I'm going to dispense my zakah, I'm going to give additional charity. Subhanallah. But very few of us, we're going to approach Ramadan from the perspective of what should I not be doing? What should I not be doing? And that is why we may put a pause on the sin in our lives, but we do not press the delete button. So the urgent change that is required from us is to expel sin from our lives, to remove sin from our lives permanently. If we do not remove sin from our lives permanently, what is going to happen? After the month of Ramadan, we're going to go back to those bad habits that we have posed before the month of Ramadan.